Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an envelope custom field on DocuSign. So to add this, click on admin on your document, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process afterwards to show you how it looks when you create those envelope custom fields. Now scroll down on the left hand side, you'll find under the sign in and send in option, there's a document custom field where you can add custom field on documents, and I've created a tutorial for that, so you can check out the playlist at the end of this video and you can find how to create document custom fields step by step and how they actually works. But for the envelope, just simply click on envelope custom field, then you can click on add field, or you can add it from here. You can give this name whatever you want. I'm going to call this one nickname, for example, and here you can say if you want it to show on the envelope for a creator or not. Go ahead, I recommend that you can enable it so that you can see it as well. You can make the field mandatory if you want as well, and yeah, let's leave it as a text field. Click and add. Now I'm going to show you how this actually works. So let's say you're about to create a new agreement or a new document. So let's say you want to create a new agreement, right? I'm going to use the browse templates right here and just quickly choose something. I'm going to scroll down and choose, let's say, the employment offer, and click on add selected. Now by default, without creating this envelope custom field, it is not visible, but since you create it, it's going to be visible. So as you can see on this section here, you have the document. If you scroll down, there is an option for example, in this document, there is the HR rep details and the new hire details, so you can fill in all of those stuff, right? But if you scroll down now, you will see that there is a custom field. It says add envelope field, right? And here it is. You can click on it and you can add details. So I'm going to add it. So for example, nickname, I'm going to just say Drew, for example. And so you add this custom field that you've created on the document, right? And you basically click on next and you continue the process, and that's basically how it works. So that's pretty much it, guys. So you can quickly add your custom fields on your document by filling them wherever you want, and that's pretty much all that you have to do. Now, as I mentioned before, that you can create custom fields as well for the document itself, and in this section is where, if you create the custom field, as I showed you where we create the envelope custom field, you can add those fields, but in this section is where you would actually add those document custom fields. So here you can see that it shows the standard fields, and here is where it says custom fields, and you have your custom fields that you can add right here. So I have this one, for example, called approve stamp, and I can click on it or basically drag and drop it anywhere in my document, and so you will see that it adds a custom field. And basically at the time when I have to do my actions, whether to sign the document, I'll be able to also stamp the document with the stamp as well. So that's how it is, guys. And if you want to learn more how to create them, there's a, as I mentioned, there is a entire tutorial showing you step by step how to do this. So that's pretty much it, guys. So you have your document custom field that you can find here, and the custom fields there, and you also have some pre-filled stuff. But you see how you create the envelope custom fields there, and all you have to do is send it off to the person. But that's it. Very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching.